welcome to the second in our series of rhythm guitar for absolute beginners. So in the last class we looked at G, which if you remember is like this. And if you see the diagram you can see the position of the fingers. We also looked at C, which as I said was very similar to G, and it goes like this. The second and third fingers are in pretty much the same place but just shifted across, as you can see in the diagram. And we did a little strumming pattern, very basic strumming pattern, goes something like this. Okay, and today we're going to look at one new chord, and our new chord of the day is the D chord. Okay, so have a look at the diagram and you'll see using again first, second, third fingers, but they're all kind of bunched around the same area, and you'll see that the first finger is on the second fret of the G string or third string. The second finger is on the second fret of the E string, the top E string or first string, and the third finger is on the third fret of the B string or second string. And if you notice the diagram, you'll see that we have an X placed over the 6th and 5th string. Okay, so technically you shouldn't play that, but as I said last time, don't worry about it for the moment. Okay, let's worry about getting the chords together. And if you strum it, you get something like this. Right, okay, then let's have a go at playing G, C and D together. And we're going to do it in one of the most famous chord progressions of all time. One of the greats, known as the 12-bar blues. That's one of my personal favourites. Okay, now if you look at the progression, you'll see that we have 4 bars of G. Okay, in each bar there are 4 strums, so a total of mathematics time 16 strums, followed by 2 bars of C, 8 strums of C, back to G for 2 more, and then here we have our new chord D, followed by C, and then G, and then D. And those last 4 chords are all played in just 1 bar. So have a listen to this, okay, and this is going to be the same basic rhythm pattern. Have a listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that's it. It's very simple. I think it's very simple, but it's a really classic progression. Playing loads and loads of rock and roll songs, lots and lots. And so let's do it together. Okay, so we'll do it a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. that's the new chord, D, a new chord progression, the classic 12-bar blues, and now another rhythm. Right, so we've been playing the basic down, down, down rhythm, but we're going to just close with a new rhythm, okay? And so if you look there at the progression, all right, you'll see there's a slight change in the rhythm. We're now going to be using upstrokes. Okay, so far we've just done, as I said, we've been doing down, 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 down. Now we're including a couple of upstrokes. Now, normally in a bar there are 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4. But now we're going to include an and. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Okay, so we kind of finish the bar on and. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to play the 12-bar blues in G with G, C and D and the new rhythm pattern. Have a listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so today we've looked at G, C and D together, a new chord of D, a classic 12-bar progression and a new rhythm pattern. So I'm going to leave you with that. Please practice it. It's great fun. You can do it slowly, quickly, any way you like. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, if you've got something out of it, please like it and subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.